there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making a Valentine's Day card using labels to love. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our Big Shot. And I have the second and the third smallest labels from Lots of Labels Framelits. So for the bigger one, we're going to be using Rich Razzleberry, and that is cut at 2 by 3. And then for the smaller one, we're going to be using Melon MAMBO, and that is cut at 2 by 1 3/4. So we'll just run that through. And now we have these labels. Now I'm going to bring in a regular piece of paper, and this is an old Stampin' Up! Receipt that I haven't filed yet. So we'll bring in our VERSAMARK, and then I have the Love on block B. I'm going to go ahead and use my embossing buddy just because I don't want any fibers, anything getting on there that doesn't need to be on there. So we'll ink that up. And then place it down. Alright. And then I'm going to get my gold embossing powder and cover that. Put that back in. And I'm going to bring in my heat tool. And because it's smaller, I am going to hold it with my tweezers. Let this warm up. Alright, so this is what we have now. Okay, and our card base is Rich Razzleberry, and that is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. I'm just going to take my bone folder, varnish that a little bit better. And then I have a piece Melon MAMBO, and that is cut at 4 1/4 by 5. And I'm just going to take my snail, put it around on 4 sides. Where I live, it's very humid, so we have to make sure that we have really good adhesive and everything stays down. Alright, so we will center that. And then I also have the Painted with Love Specialty Designer Series paper, and I don't know if you can see that, but it's got gold hearts. And then I am going to come in with the gold metallic edged ribbon. Whoa! And I'm just going to put it across just like that. I'm going to take my ribbon snips, put that down, and then we'll put that in the middle, just like that. And then I'm going to take my love and put that down in the center. And then come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. One on top and then one on the bottom. And just like that. And you could mass produce these if you'd like. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.